Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher and today we will learn the words meaning of unit number 1, dreaming of doodles. The first word is doodoo. Doodoo means an extinct bird. A doodoo was a bird that lived a long time ago and it couldn't fly because its wings were small. Sadly, the doodoo is now extinct, so which means no doodoos are alive today. The next word is elephant bird. The elephant bird was one of the largest birds in history. It was very tall and very heavy, so it also couldn't fly. So, elephant birds mean an extinct bird that cannot fly. Quagga. A quagga looked similar to zebra, but there was one difference. It had stripes only on the front part of its body, and the back part of its body had no stripes. So, quagga mean an extinct zebra. Sea wolf. The sea wolf was an animal that lived in the ocean and it looked similar to a sea lion and was a strong ocean animal. So, sea wolf means an extinct seal. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth was a very large animal that looked like an elephant. However, it had long thick hair to protect it from the cold weather. So, we can say woolly mammoth means an extinct mammal. The next word is extinct. When a species is extinct, no animals of that kind are alive anymore. So the dodo is extinct. So we can say extinct means no longer existing. Next word is survive. To survive means to stay alive even when things are difficult. Some animals like tigers still alive today, but their numbers are smaller. We can say survive means continue to live or outlive. The next word is exploit. Exploit means misuse. Misuse of animals, usually for money or personal benefit. For example, some people exploit animals for their fur or skin. The next word is endangered. Endangered means imperiled. Endangered animals are animals that are in danger of becoming extinct. For example, polar bears are endangered animals. The next word is habitat. A habitat is the natural home where animals live. So we can say habitat is natural living place. African lions live in grassland which is their habitat. So habitat is the natural home where animals live. The next word is species. A species means a group or type of animals that are similar. So we can say a group of organisms which can interbreed naturally is called species. Next word is sanctuary. A sanctuary is a safe place where animals are protected, and in sanctuaries animals are safe from hunters and danger. I hope you understand these meanings. Thank you.